In this video, I am going to attempt to make a pair of macrame sandals for summer. So I'm working with an amazing macrame artist, Isabella. I'll put her on the screen so you can check her out. And she sent me these gorgeous uppers. They don't look like much yet, but the hopes is that we can turn these into an incredible pair of shoes. And that's what I'm going to attempt to do now. So I really don't need much to make this pair of shoes. I've got some heels, some insoles, some soling, and then I found this really nice yellow leather. It's quite a soft one, which I think will be really nice for summer sandals. And I'm gonna put them together. So let's get started. Now these shoes should come together reasonably quickly, and it's really just all about getting the pieces prepared. So I'm gonna start by getting my heels covered in this beautiful yellow leather. The next piece of the puzzle is the insoles. I am going to cover these in the same lovely yellow leather because these are an open-toed sandal and we're gonna see the sides, so we need to make sure that they're finished really beautifully. As you can see, I cut this into a really nice square toe, which I just think will work beautifully with the macrame style. So let's get them covered. Okay, so now that I've got all of my pieces prepared, I can start assembling the shoe. So I've got one of my macrame pieces like this, and essentially this is going to go over the top like that and sort of do up around the ankle. So I'm going to use a pair of shoemaking lasts to sort of help me position all the straps in the right place, like so. But if you don't have lasts, you could totally just use your foot for this. So as you can see, I've got a lot of individual little straps that need to get stuck down under my insole. So I am going to get sticking. Okay, these are coming together so beautifully. I'm really happy and excited to see them finished. So at this stage, the next thing I need to do is attach a sole to the bottom. And once that's on, we can go ahead and get our heels drilled in. These shoes are almost finished and I love how they're looking so far. There's only one stage left, and that is to put a nice little bit of padding on the inside there and an insock just to cover up our screws where I've attached the heel. And then they will be all done. So let's pop them down and get these insocks in. And there we have our finished macrame shoes. I love how they turned out. They were a reasonably quick project and really didn't use up much in terms of components at all. And there's only one thing left to do, and that is to try them on. Hope you enjoyed that video and I'll see you next time.